Alright, let's try this question. Question 6. I'm going to go from A. So draw the circle with equation blah blah blah. So looking at that, I can write my A and B. So my A is -2, my Y is 1, and my R is, that's R squared. So you hopefully know that it's R is 3 because you square root the number. So let's start there. I'll draw my Cartesian plane. And then I draw -2, 1. So that's my center of circle, and then my radius is 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. So it looks something like this, as best as I can. So is this circle a function? Explain your answer. Well, let's draw our vertical line tests. No, not a function. Using vertical test. Vertical line test. Find the domain and range. Alright, so my domain, I start with that. Let's start in the middle. Where does it stop? Well, let's have a look at my x-coordinate. What's my outside this x-coordinate? Well, my center over here was -2, 1, and if I add 3 x-coordinates to it, what would it be? It'll be 1, 1. If I go 3 this way, it's -3, so it'll be -5, 1. Now, if I add, so that will help me find the domain, because I stop over here, and then I stop over here inclusive, because it's part of the circle. So it'll be these numbers, -5 and 1 that are the outside. -5, x, and then 1, inclusive, and these are your signs. My y, similar thing, I just got to figure out my biggest points. So from -2, if I add 3, 1, because that's the y coordinate. 2, 3, 4, so my coordinate is -2, 4. And then this one over here is 0, -1, -2, so -2, -2. So my smallest is -2, my highest is +4. So I've got -2, +4, and that should be it. Let's have a look at the answers just to double check. Excuse me. Oops, I don't have my answer on me. Am I going to be able to check on here quickly? So you should have Hazy by now as well, so please make sure you have Hazy. Oh, goodness. What chapter were we? 3. G.1. 6. Question 6. There we go. Oh. So -5 to 1. Let's double check. -5 to 1, correct. So let me just tick 1 for you. -2 to 4, correct. Cool. Done.